Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at BRUME EMRPIENTE for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm so excited to share the latest collection of LV. So first one, we have a new monogram Empreinte collection that will be launching February 27th. So first we have the Speedy 20. Price of this one is €2,200 or 2,770 USD. Material is in the Empreinte leather and the colorway is BRUME. As we can see here, it comes of course with the classic features of the Speedy 20. Next we have the very beautiful all-in size BB. Price is €2,300 or 2,760 USD. So this is the interior, as you can see. So the main material would be the Empreinte in BRUME, and it would come with detachable mini leather pochette, as you can see, and of course it comes with strap that is fully adjustable and fully detachable. So next on the Empreinte collection, we have the Neverfull size MM. How beautiful this colorway and combination is. So as we can see, price is €2,200 or 2,940 USD. So again, just like with the all-in, so it comes of course with the classic detachable leather pochette. It comes with zipper as well, so you could carry this one as a top handle. You could carry this one as a shoulder bag, perfect for everyday, even for travel. Then we have the very chic, perfect for office. Then we have the Petite Palais. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. So price of this one is €2,700 or 3,350 USD. So this is a top handle design bag. It comes of course with detachable straps, so you could also carry this one as a shoulder bag, even as a crossbody. Next on the collection, we have the Carry All PM, perfect for everyday, for travel. Price is €2,700 or 3,250 USD. So as you can see, this is the interior. I love that they come with detachable pouches. Love that, very versatile. Of course, this is a shoulder bag, and what I love about this Carry All PM is of course the slouchy design, which is very modern and very now. So next guys, we have the vanity chain pouch. For the price, please do stand by, but we have the SKU here. So for the vanity chain pouch, this is a slimmer version of the vanity bag. So as you can see, this is the interior, but the outside part is in Empreinte leather in the colorway BRUME. So for this collection guys, I forgot to mention that the hardware that it comes with is silver, which complements the silver. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! Alright, so let us discuss more releases. So first we have the Squire PM. So this one guys would be launching February 20th. I have discussed this previously, but now we have more photos and prices. So price of this one is $2,780 USD. Materials monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. As we can see, the strap is fully elongated, so you could carry this one as a shoulder bag. Of course, it comes with the lock and key design. So the Squire would come with the East-West version. So this is the one that I've discussed previously, and the price is $2,400 USD. So which do you prefer guys? Would you prefer the PM size or would it be the East-West? So if you're looking perhaps for something more modern, more contemporary, then go for the East-West. But if you want something that you could carry every day, then go for the PM size. So next on the collection, so we have the no way chunk. So price of this one is 3,650 USD. So the main material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It comes with the stud and trunk detail. So the studs, it would come, or it would be featured at the side of the no way trunk, and then of course it would come with the metal details at the corner of the bag. It comes of course with detachable leather strap, as we can see here. Then of course, my personal bias, Alma trunk size BB. Price is 4,250 USD. We have SKU here, so I'm guessing that the material would be with a very soft calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. So this is part of their like low-key collections. As you can see, guys, there is no Louis Vuitton monogram, but of course the colorway of this one is tan, and it features also the trunk details. Then of course we have the Express PM. Price of this one is 4,200 USD. So the material is calfskin leather with monogram leather trim. So the straps, of course, the top handle, and then of course the key clochette is made of monogram canvas. So next on the collection, so we have the Express PM. So this one time would be in the color vanilla. So price of this one is 4,200 USD. So the main material is calfskin leather, and we have here the reverse monogram canvas trims. As you can see, the interior would be reverse mono. Also the outer part, so the strap that it comes with would be made with the same material. It comes of course with key clochette and lock and keys. So going back to the no way trunk, so this time part of the low-key collection. So price of this one is 4,550 USD, made of calfskin leather with cowhide leather trims. So it has the stud and trunk details. It comes of course with detachable chain strap, and it comes with adjustable leather strap, as we can see here. Love the colorway, black and gold combination, always a winner. Then we have the no way trunk. This time the colorway of this one is like in the tan colorway. So price of this one is 4,550 USD. So same features, same material of calfskin leather, and of course stud details at the side of the bag. Then we have the metal part on the corners of the no way trunk. It comes of course with drawstring feature and comes with detachable leather strap. So next on the collection, we have the multi-pass. So this is another very beautiful bag of LV. So we have price of 3,250 USD. Material is the calfskin leather. It comes of course with the reverse monogram canvas trim. Even the interior, as we can see, what I love about this multi-pass, it comes with multi-strap. So detachable chain strap and detachable top handle strap that you could wear as a shoulder bag. So the multi-pass would come in my favorite colorway, which is the Noir. So price is 3,250 USD. So as you can see, still part of the low-key collection. So instead of the cowhide leather trims, it would come with the classic monogram canvas trims. It would come with detachable chain strap, detachable leather strap, so you could wear this one as a crossbody, even as a shoulder bag. And of course, it features a slouchy design. Then guys, for some accessories, we have the Louis Vuitton script headband. So price of this one is 555 USD. So it features monogram canvas as the main material with cowhide leather trims. Colorway of this one is pink. As we can see, the Louis Vuitton signature is written on the top part, or in the classic monogram design. So would you sport a Louis Vuitton headband, guys? Kindly comment down below. Then of course, we have the pretzel bag charm. So we don't have the price, but we have the SKU. So please do take a screenshot, so as you can see how cute the design of the pretzel is. Have you noticed that there are little LVs that's like, you know, the embellishment of the pretzel, as we can see here. Then of course, this is a detachable coin pouch. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a little icon over here. So please click on this so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at BRUME EMRPIENTE for daily updates and styling tips coming from me.